Welcome to our tutorial on how to share your graduation milestone on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Start by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to begin creating a new post. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event from the options available. 4. Choose Education from the list of life events. 5. Select Graduated to announce your academic achievement. 6. Add the name and type of your school, along with the date of your graduation, to commemorate this special moment. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to proceed. 8. Utilize the audience selector to decide who you want to share this accomplishment with. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to inform your Facebook friends and connections about your graduation. By following these steps, you can celebrate your educational journey and share your success with your social network on Facebook. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in explaining how to post about your graduation on Facebook. Share your academic accomplishments and proud moments with your Facebook community by following these simple steps. Stay connected and celebrate your achievements with your friends and family through this feature on Facebook.